Hello folks. You know, people are always saying you should be watching your carbs. I know, I'm hilarious. Right, I need your help. I've got many questions on this pair of identical Holley Carbs. Let me go through my questions. Right, to avoid confusion, I have numbered these carburetors, number 1 and number 2. This carb will now be referred to as 1, and this carb will be referred to as 2. Right, let me begin. I obtained this carb free of charge many years ago. Someone just gave it to me. They said might work, might need a rebuild. So 4 years later I threw it onto my Small Block Chevy, fired it up, and it worked. Yay, great, but it's not perfect. The main thing I've noticed is this strange bar that somebody has attached. I have no idea what that's for, but it basically prevents this bar from moving. So that's question number 1. Why did someone add this solid bar? Was it a performance mod, or was there something wrong with the carb that was a bypass? That's actually the only question I've got for that one. This one I picked up at a swap meet for like $5. And it looks in better condition than number 1. It is missing this part though. Other than that, I'm not really seeing anything missing. But what do I know about carbs? So what I'll do is I'll have a sort of slow pan round. And anyone in the know, because I really know nothing about carbs, you shout out if you see anything missing. Let me go the other way, I've got an obstacle down there. Okay, so that is number 2. Yes, I know it is missing this screw here, which is on that one there. Okay, but apart from that screw and that, I don't know what you call it, butterfly, something like that. Apart from those 2 things, if anyone can see anything missing, let me know. Because the question is, do I transfer the parts that are missing from there, from this one over to the one that I know that works, or do I transfer this part here over to this one, which I don't know if it works. I'll do a wee pan round here in case there's something obvious that is there or isn't there, that should be there or shouldn't be there. So as I say, I think these are identical. I would like to strip them down, but I don't have a rebuild kit at the moment, and I don't want to destroy gaskets if I don't have to. I mean, when I turn this upside down, I can hear the floats going up and down. They're not seized or anything. But as I say, I don't have a rebuild kit. So let me know what you think. What would you do? Would you work on the one you know that works, or transfer the stuff over to that one because this bar might be hiding a secret? Right, a couple more questions while you're here. Again, this is number 1, the one that was working in the car, albeit a bit rough. Very, very black in there. I can't even remember if that was clean before I started running it. This one actually looks a lot cleaner, although there is a little bit of rust build up there, but I have no idea the history of this. I don't know how long it was sitting. I'm not sure about these. See this channel here? Does it matter that that's covered by the gasket in there? I don't know. This here, does that go to your vacuum line for your distributor? I think it does, but again, let me know. This pipe here, does that go to your brake booster, or do you take your brake booster feed off of the intake manifold? Many questions needing many answers. I'll just show you the intake manifold so that you know what I'm working with, because again, I'm fairly new to this V8 stuff, so I'm not sure the significance of having a big hole instead of a divided hole. Let me know about that as well. Right, I think that's enough questions. What are we waiting on? Oh yeah, we're waiting on fuel line. Hose coming, should be here tomorrow to finish off this. And I think it was Wayne, I think, suggested that I should just move this over here, and that makes a lot of sense. Reduce the amount of curliness. That doesn't need to be there. If anything, it's going to bind that because I'm a moron. So yeah, I should move that over to here. I just need to shorten that pipe a little bit. But that's where we're at with the fuel tank. Okay, just a short video then. I do require your help again, because I'm a dum-dum and I have no idea what I'm doing with carbs. If they plug in and they work, great, but number one shouldn't look like that. So let me know. Thanks for watching, thanks for dropping by. Please subscribe and leave a comment. I really need your help. Thank you. Bye bye.